big money this morning. We got DraftKings, Nikola, Tesla, big money, more Tesla. I bought more Tesla, just a few more shares. BP, I bought more Apple. I bought more Peloton. Yesterday I had money, I bought more Peloton because it's so cheap. They put it to a neutral hold or something, some bullshit. Peloton's going to 150. Then we got Exxon Mobil, I'm starting to buy. I got Workhorse, Verizon, BTG, Apple, BP, Tesla, Nikola, DraftKings, Exxon Mobil, Peloton, Workhorse, and some of these down here. All these except Microsoft, pretty much. And this one. Snap, no, I don't know about it today. These big ass that people are going to sell off that one today, I think. But who knows? Peloton, Netflix. I like Netflix. I do. I'm telling you, when the dust settles, that stock's going to go up $100. Also, like, the gambling, but Penn, I feel like it's just too high right now. But maybe not, I could be wrong. I like DraftKings, it's cheaper too. And it's better, I think. Zoom is down. So that's it, man. That's what I got. DraftKings, Nikola, Tesla, BP, Apple, BTG, Verizon, Workhorse, Peloton. I guess my pick of the day would be Peloton. Tell you the truth.